Welcome back, Mongo Fix. We back at 08 Cobalt. Mongo take radio out because still trying to figure out what caused no start, but figure check wiring and radio. Everything looked pretty good. Got the controller in there. Radio part of body control module. But Mongo find take off electrical tape and they just twist together the wires. It worked, but Mongo going to fix this up, make more robust. So take all these out and put some nice solder on there. Get solder iron plugged in. Get some nice solders. It's easy solder stuff. Yep, just touch the back of wires. The wires heat up and had solder in there. Careful, because wires will get hot. But you don't want to get wires too hot. Too hot to change the resistance of the wires. That's not good. So now connection's all strong. This is much more robust. Could have take all apart, slide heat shrink on, solder, slide heat shrink up, and then use heat gun or lighter to shrink real good, but I'm just going to rewrap with electrical tape. There we go, this much better. So now put radio back in because there are no other problems down here. Everything else connect good. Bunch of clips on side here. 3 clips. Like that. All these clips. Clips just snap in. There we go. Everything worked. So if you like this video, be sure to like this video. If you like this video and other videos, be sure to subscribe. Mongo always working all sorts of stuff. Mongo, thank you.